Hello everyone, and welcome to today's energy cleansing meditation, designed to help you cleanse your energy after a long day or a long week, and focused on restoring balance and vitality to yourself. I invite you to begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space to either sit or lie down. Once you feel settled, close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. And take a moment to acknowledge the week you've had without judgment. Let this be your time to reset. We will begin to move now into a 4-7-8 breathing cycle to help calm the nervous system. If this is something that you find difficult to do, simply allow your breath to return to its most natural rhythm, but give yourself a pause in between your inhale and exhale, and let your exhale be slightly longer than your inhale. And let us begin our breathing. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take a pause. And again, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause once more. Inhale again for 4, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause. And our last one, inhale through the nose, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll pause once more. Allow your breath to return to normal. If you're feeling a little lightheaded at this point in time, that's completely natural. And now let's shift to cleansing breaths. And this is simply by inhaling deeply through the nose and then exhaling with a gentle sigh or an audible We are going to repeat this for 6 rounds. And as we do so, imagine tension leaving your body with each exhale. Once again, if you find this uncomfortable to do, go ahead and allow your breath just to return to normal, focusing in on an inhale and an exhale. Right, so let us begin our first one. Inhale deeply through the nose. And once you've reached the top, exhale with that audible sigh. Again, inhale through the nose. Once you reach the top, exhale with that sigh or let's do this once more together. Inhale. the top. Exhale with a sigh or audible. And go ahead and complete the next 3 rounds at your own pace. Again, focus on that tension leaving your body with each exhale. Let us move now into adding some gentle movement into our body. Again, if anything feels uncomfortable, do not do it, or simply adjust to what feels most comfortable for you. We will start with neck rolls, just slow circles, 3 in each direction. Take it at your own pace, nice and gentle around. 1 full rotation, 2, when you hit the 3rd one, go ahead and switch sides, roll the opposite direction. And now we'll add in some shoulder shrugs. So inhale, lift your shoulders slowly up to your ears at your inhale. And exhale, slowly allowing them to drop right in time with that exhale. So again, inhale in, shoulders up with the inhale. Exhale, slowly release them back down. One more time, inhale up, exhale down. And we're going to shake out some of our tension. So lightly shake your hands, arms, legs, whatever pattern you wish to do so for 30 seconds in each body part. As we wrap up now with this one, we are going to move to tapping to stimulate energy flow, starting with your chest, then moving to your arms, and finally to your legs. When you do your arms, you can do it one at a time, or you can cross your arms over your chest and go ahead and tap along your arms too. Once again, do this one area at a time, chest, arms, legs, for 30 seconds each. And move the tapping around the area allowing that energy to flow. And just do this nice and gently. You can use all your fingers, or if you want to, just focus on your index and middle finger, tapping with just them. If you're unsure of how to move about, just imagine what that energy flow would look like. So for example, on my chest, I would start in the middle, like right over my heart, and then tap outwards. On my arms, I tap from my shoulders down to my wrists, and then around to the inside of the arm as well. And the legs just across your thighs, and I go from around about at my hips to my knees. Again, what works best for you. As you move, silently repeat to yourself, I release what no longer serves me. Allow that release to happen as you imagine that energy flowing from your tapping through your muscles. I release what no longer serves me. As we come to an end of our tapping, visualize now a soft golden light above your head. See it glowing brightly, perhaps pulsing with every breath. Feel the warmth that comes from it. And with each breath now, imagine it gently pouring down into the top of your head, over your scalp, behind your eyes, down into your cheeks, into your neck and throat, over your shoulders, through your heart, down your arms to your fingertips, down your spine, all the way through your back, your sides, and your belly, into your hips, into your legs, down to your knees, your calves, your feet and toes, cooling down at the soles of your feet. Feel this light filling you completely. Feel the warmth it brings to your body. With every breath, it continues to pulse and glow brighter and brighter. Let this light cleanse. let it nourish. Let it recharge you. Repeat silently to yourself 3 times. I am light. I am clear. I am renewed. I am light. I am clear. I am renewed. I am light. I am clear. I am renewed. Choose a mantra now to repeat with your breath. Perhaps it is I am grounded, or I am whole. Maybe even peace flows through me. Whichever comes to your mind that continues to nourish and recharge you. Inhale, feel the mantra enter your body, sinking deep into your consciousness, into your subconsciousness, allowing it to recharge you. Exhale, feel it expand throughout your body, throughout your mind, throughout your spirit. Continue to repeat your mantra 3 more times as you inhale and exhale, allowing it to get stronger and stronger. Let the words become a rhythm. Let them sync with your breath. As we begin now to move towards a close, place one hand over your heart and one on your belly. Take 3 deep breaths at your own pace. Thank yourself for showing up. Thank yourself for taking this moment just for you. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Allow yourself to stretch. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And carry this renewed sense of energy with you into the rest of your day. As always, thank you for joining me. Take care.